Hey guys, we are completing the final steps of our floor install. As you can see, there's still a little more that we have to get done, but we wanted to share our progress and show how we did it. We started by taking out the factory floor from the van and then deep cleaning it, making sure there's no dust or dirt stuck on the floor, and we repainted any rust spots. Then we added Kilmat to the wheel wells and the floor and sealed up the holes. Next, we needed an even surface to start building off of, so we added 2x4s in the 3 deeper recesses in the van and framed around the outsides to give us an even surface. Then we cut 2x4s and laid them perpendicular, spaced 16 inches apart all the way from front to back of the van. We used a nail gun to connect these to the studs on bottom and then started cutting our polyiso foam and fit that into the van. One thing to make sure is that they're not too tightly pressed against the wall because they will squeak. Then we pulled the factory floor back in, screwed it down to the studs, and gave it one last cleaning. Then it was time to start adding in the vinyl planks. We made sure to leave a gap on the edges so that it could expand. Then we used caulk to fill in those gaps and smoothed it out. What we're doing now is adding some of the trim pieces on the steps and adding the corner protection. If you thought this was cool and want more specific instructions on how we completed this, we can make a longer video in the future for our friends with more specific step-by-step instructions to get the same result we had.